And hello there. Okay, I've just hit the 50-kilometre mark on the run that I set last night as a let it go and flow intention. Aside from these flies, that's exactly what's been happening. Alrighty, so what's so difficult? I know why. Talking about change. Yes, we hear it all the time. You need to change. Change is good. Change is like a holiday, blah, blah, blah. But again, why do people struggle with change? It's that old fear of the unknown. As generic as that is, it's the truth. The crazy thing is, the unknown isn't as scary as staying stuck and fixed for however many years you choose to stay that way. Because again, it's a choice. Change is a choice. A lot of people argue that. No, I can't. You don't understand. It's a choice. Yet, we expect change to happen when we don't want to change, which makes no sense. What was that old Einstein quote that everyone knows? The definition of doing the same thing over and over again, expecting a different result, is the definition of insanity. And it's true. Now, the trouble with change as well, some people tell you to make drastic changes. Like literally overnight, you got to divorce your partner, let it go. It's not so easy, I get it. You got to quit that job tomorrow. Well, you got bills and stuff. So don't ever feel forced into massive change. Just start small. Small changes. And they eventually build up. Then you start to get a momentum and go, actually, this feels good. Now, what feels good is that unknown feeling that you were terrified of before you started making those small steps of change. And after a while, that uncomfortability, the unknown, you actually start to somehow enjoy. As morbid as it is to the onlookers who want to stay the same, they'll call you crazy. Why are you doing that for? They'll never get it. And the good news is you don't have to explain or justify any of it. So the topic today, don't look at change as difficult. If you reach the end of your life with the thought of wanting to change but not doing any of that, that would be a difficult question to answer. Did I live life to the full? And your answer will probably be no. And isn't that tragic? With this amazing gift that we have called life, that we have no idea when it will expire, yet this whole fear of change cripples so many people. And I feel a deep sadness for that. But I also understand it's difficult. I've made some tremendous changes in my life that I didn't want to do, or I knew I had to but didn't know how, didn't want to. Like today, or around this time, in 16 years I quit drinking alcohol. If there was a hangover cure, I probably would have kept going. Because I loved it. But I knew somewhere deep within, it was getting me nowhere. And the feeling it brought me afterwards was dreadful. But I didn't want to change it. So I tried to justify all the good times that were worth it. Worth that pain, worth that hangover and puking and stupidity. Until it literally grabbed me by the neck and said, "You're done with this." And I listened. And am I so grateful that I took action towards that change. So if you struggle with change, big or small, shoot me a DM. Happy to talk to you about it. Have a bit of a convo. And I'm going to continue on with this let it go and flow run, because it's been awesome. Alrighty, enjoy your day. Hope you're off to a good start of a new year. Yes, the start, always a change. There's a little tidbit for you. And just keep at it, one step at a time. Slow running.